Clothing Alterations and Shoe Repairs, Melbourne CBD, Victoria. Tightly held since 1999, this solid business has high-end clients in place plus growth potential. If you have a passion for sewing and fashion and want to take over a very reputable business, this is for you. The business boasts a premium Melbourne CBD location on Collins Street and an impressive client base. Regular work is received from high-end fashion boutiques, including Hermes, Fendi, Saint Laurent, Armani, Dior, Chanel, and many more. There is a client base of around 2,000 to 2,500 people, and the business receives many word-of-mouth referrals. Collins Street is the heart of the Melbourne CBD and also regarded as Australia's most highly sought-after business address. The location offers easy access and public transport, world-class shopping, and standout dining options. The buyer could grow the business by bringing more brands on board and hiring more staff as the premises have room to expand.